Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. You're seeing this roll right here. This is how the smart drapes come from Norman Window Fashions. And I just want to do a really quick thing. This is for the people that put these in for. I just want to show them how to put them together. And that's what this video is going to be. So first of all, you're not going to have to take these apart. Really, all you'll ever have to do is snap them together up at the window, like if you take it down to wash it or something like that. But better to show than not. So let me open it, and I'm going to tip this down now so we're going to see it at the table level. So if you're an installer, you're going to appreciate this video. So what I do is I take it and start unrolling it. You can see here where you have the vein starting, and then I take it and just unroll it all the way down. Okay, so now here's where I've already done the first part of this roll, and you can see right here what you need to do is treat each one of these as the drape, the way it's going to be hanging, which is like this in the window with everything hanging below it. So everything snaps in from there. So the way that you do it is you take the part that has the protrusions on it right here, and then you go to the next one. Like if you're taking it out of the wash, it has the holes in it. Remember, that next one has to go like this too. So you take them and line them up and then just snap them together. Now that's detailed. You can see now that you have two that are side by side, the way it's going to end up. Now when you're doing it now, you're going to take the protrusion, take the next one, fold it backwards so they snap together. Turn the paper out of the way. Take the next one, turn it sideways, snap them together. Take the next one, turn it 180 degrees. I'm saying it in different ways for different minds. And then we have a couple more. And two more. One there. And one there. Now keep in mind, this is really important, the very last one is different. It does not have anything on it. That means it's the end piece. It goes on the last one, either the left or the right hand side, depending on what you've done. So that is how you get the overall look that you want. All together, they're all individual pieces snapped together. So again, if you needed to take them apart to wash, you'd snap it down and just disconnect them. Very easy. Take it apart, and that way you have the ability to put them back together again if you ever need to. So that is the smart drape and how you're able to put them together. If you have purchased from us, I'll send you this video so that you have the ability to put them together if you ever need to. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.